How to get X backup codes. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can get X backup codes. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log into your X account, just like I've done here. Then move to the top left corner of the screen, click on your profile icon. Amongst the options displayed, scroll down and select settings and support. Then select settings and privacy. Then on this page, you will see different options, right? Ensure you select settings and account access. On this page, on the settings and account access page, you see options like security, apps and sessions, connected accounts, delegates. Click on security. On the securities page, click on two-factor authentication and you'll be taken to the two-factor authentication page. So once you're on the two-factor authentication page, next step would be for you to turn on your two-factor authentication. After turning on your two-factor authentication, Twitter will automatically generate a backup code for you that you can always use to log in into your account whenever you need to. So this is how you can get X backup code. The solution is for you to turn on your two-factor authentication. Ensure you do that, and then you have access to your backup codes. Thank you for watching and have a good day.